Hello, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to another Paws Airdrop video. So, the Paws Airdrop claim is live, and I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw this to your various exchanges. Okay, you're going to learn exactly how to withdraw this to Bitget and Bybit Exchange. Okay, I'm going to first start with Bitget, and then we'll move to Bybit Exchange. So, the first thing you need to do right now, for those who haven't been following, is to head over to your browser. And once you come over to your browser, you want to go to the URL section, to the search bar, right? And type in the keyword pause.community, which you can see at the top of my screen right there. Please make sure that the pause have an S, not the PAW. If you type in PAW, you'll be heading to another site, which has been discovered to be a scammy site. So make sure it has an S, then you type in .community. Okay, so once you do that, you would arrive at a page that looks exactly like this. So the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to this very place that says TG dashboard, right? Just click on TG dashboard right now. And the moment you do, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next right here, this next button. Okay, and you can see right here, this is my little allocation, which is 16,000. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on claim, right? Click on this blue claim button right now. So the moment you click on claim, you're going to be asked to accept Paws token airdrop terms and condition. And the way you accept that is by clicking on this very checkbox right here. Just click that box and it will be checked, and you go ahead and click on continue. Now you can see right here, we have two withdrawal options, which is the centralized exchanges option and the on-chain withdrawal. Now I have to state this, pay close attention as I tell you this, because this is where a lot of people make mistakes. If you want to sell immediately, which I would advise you to do, then make sure you select the centralized exchange option and not the on-chain withdrawal. Do not wait for on-chain withdrawal. Reason is on-chain withdrawal really takes time, and most of these Telegram airdrops tends to allow on-chain withdrawal after the listing day. Okay, and even if you are giving the on-chain withdrawals, there are a lot of troubles that come with it, so it's best you go with the centralized exchange option. So only go with this on-chain withdrawal option right here if you plan to hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on centralized exchanges, and you can see right here the withdrawal fee is 3% of your total assets. So we're going to click on this right now, and you can see right now that the option for exchange deposit is Bybit and Bitget. Okay, so first we're going to be going with the Bybit, and then I'm going to also show you how to do this with Bitget. So we're going to click on Bybit right now. And right here, you are being asked, do you have a Bybit account? You will need your UID and Paws deposit address to receive tokens on Bybit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say, yes, I do. And before you do this, make sure that you have a Bybit account and your Bybit account is KYC verified. Very important. Yeah, you must make sure that you have passed the first level of KYC on both Bybit and Bitget for you to be able to perform these very steps. All right, so we're going to head over to Bybit right now. So I'm just going to open up my Bybit Exchange right now, and what we're going to be picking first is the UID, just as you can see right here. Okay, we're being asked to fix our UID right here and our deposit address. So we're going to go back to Bybit, and to get your UID, you just have to click on this very profile icon right here. Okay, so once you click on the profile icon, you're going to see this very code right here which says UID. Just click on this once and you can see copied successfully. So our UID is copied successfully. We're just going to head back to Paws website right now. Okay, I'm actually doing this with my Chrome browser, and I'm going to paste my UID right there. Long press and hold this and then click on paste, and you can see my UID is right there. So the next is the deposit address. Okay, Paws deposit address. And how do you get that on Bybit Exchange? It's simple. Just go over to Bybit right now and head over to the home page. And once you're on the home page right now, you want to come over to this very place that says deposit. Okay, click on this very one that says deposit. Okay, you will find this in your Bybit homepage. Okay, and I'm going to click on deposit right now. So once you click on deposit, go over to the top right here to the search bar and type in Paws, Paws, and you can see right here this is Paws. Okay, just go ahead and click on Paws right now, and since our Paws is built on the Sol chain, you're going to see Sol right here. This is Sol. Go ahead and click on Sol. Okay, and you can see this is a notice that you should confirm that you're depositing Paws to this very address. on the sole address. So we're being asked to confirm that the only thing we're going to be depositing here is Paws token and no other token. Okay, so we're going to click on OK right now, and make sure you confirm the logo. You can see this is the logo up there, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on this copy icon right here to copy my wallet address for Paws. Okay, and I'm going to head back right now to Paws website and then click on this, and I'm just going to long press and hold and then paste in my deposit address right there, and I'm going to go ahead right now and click on continue. But before I click continue though, make sure that you have cross-checked the wallet address and your UID. Make sure it's correct, make sure there's no word missing, or else you would lose your asset. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this very blue continue button right now. Okay, and you can see claim pause, check your data, verify the data. You will not receive tokens if the information entered is incorrect. So yes, just like I told you, make sure that everything is correct before you do this. Okay, verify that this is your wallet address. So again, how do we verify? This is the UID, right? It starts with 25 and ends with 65. So I'm just going to look at this. First of all, I'm going to look at the wallet address because that's the last thing I did, and you can see the wallet address right here ends with QB and starts with EP, and that is exactly what is here. So let's check for the UID. Now the reason I'm telling you this is because a lot of us tend to do things really fast in a hurry and don't pay attention, and most of the time end up making mistake. You can see for the UID at the top right here, it starts with 25 and ends with 65. Okay, same thing right here. You have to cross check, very important. So once you have done this, you go ahead and click on continue, right? And you can see claim pause, final step, you want to deposit. All right, so you can see 16,203 is what is going to be deposited into my Bybit account on the 18th of March according to the Paws team. You're not going to be receiving it immediately. The token is going to reflect in your wallet on the 18th of March irrespective of the exchange you use. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on continue, and you can see claim pause done. You receive your tokens in your Bybit account before trading starts. Okay, so we're actually going to receive this token before the token is going to be traded, not like other crypto airdrops whereby you receive the tokens after trading has started. Okay, that's kind of a fraud scheme. Okay, we believe that when you do that, it's kind of a rug pull, right? Because the team can sell off and the community will have nothing to gain from it. Okay, so you can see we are done with this, and what we're going to do right now is to just click on the finish button. Okay, so I'm going to click on finish right now, and you can see right here it says congrats, the information is saved, your tokens will be available trading once the market opens. Okay, so this is exactly how you do it for Bybit. Now, how do you do it for Bitget Exchange? How do you do it for Bitget Exchange? I'm going to show you that in a moment, right? So how do you do this for Bitget Exchange? So once you're on Bitget, you're on the withdrawal page right here, just go ahead and click on Bitget right now, and you can see right here you're being asked, do you have a Bitget account? You click on yes, I do, and you're being asked to copy your UID. Okay, make sure that your account is KYC verified. I'm just going to open up my Bitget account right here and then go over to the profile section just like we did for Bybit Exchange, and I'm going to click on this right now, and this is where you click on, right, this BG user whatever, but your UID is the one below the bolded word, right? So we're going to click on this right now, right? Click on it and you can see copied right here. Okay, meaning that your UID is copied. Make sure you click on UID particularly so that you get to copy this. Once you see copied, then you know your UID is copied. Then you come over here and paste in that UID you just copied. Okay, just long press and hold and then paste. And then for the deposit address, for those of us who want to use the Bitget option, right, for the deposit address, you go over to Bitget right now. I'm just going to head back right now, and to get your Paws deposit address from Bitget Exchange, you just have to come over to this very one that says assets, right? Once you click on assets right now, you want to click on add funds right here. Don't get it twisted. The word to remember is add funds. Okay, once you click on add funds, you're going to see a whole lot of options right here. Go ahead and click on deposit crypto. So once you click on deposit crypto, you're going to see a whole lot of cryptocurrencies, but we don't have business with that. What you want to do is to head over to the search bar right? Click on the search bar and type in the keyword PAWS pause, and you can see the logo right here. Just go ahead and click on pause, and this page is going to load up. This is actually the deposit page, the page where you also get to see your withdrawal address or your wallet address. Just click on this copy icon right now, and you can see this is copied. We head over to Pause website and we paste this very wallet address we just copied and click on continue. If you click on continue, you're going to also see the prompt you saw when I did the Bybit withdrawal. Okay, I used Bybit because that's my choice. For Bitget, there is kind of a juicy offer the Pause team proposed, but I'm not really bothered about that. I don't really care because I know it's really going to be little. I mean, 204,000 Pause token for people who claim to Bitget. So I believe a lot of people are not going to get even up to 1,000. It might be 500 Pause token each. I know it's something, and if you want to go with that option, the Bitget option, it's fine, right? You can go with Bitget option. But I believe Bybit also has its own offer. But even if they don't give anything for Bybit, they don't reward users who withdraw through Bybit. I don't have an issue with that. So this is exactly how you withdraw your token on Bybit Exchange and Bitget Exchange. It's really simple. Now, if you don't also want to go with Bybit, let me say you changed your mind, you can go over here and click on change withdrawal method, and I believe this will be changed. I believe you'll be shown the two withdrawal method again, and then you can go ahead and select Bitget. Okay, but as at time of creating this video, the only two exchanges available is Bybit and Bitget. Maybe Binance might happen tomorrow, no one knows, right? But this is the only two available exchange at the moment. And if you have 16,000 just like me, don't expect to receive them all because you'll be paying 3% in gas fee. This is basically how it works. Again, make sure that your exchange is KYC verified before you do this. Make sure you perform the KYC before you do this, and make sure that if you have plans to change this, make sure you change it immediately, because I believe it will get to a point whereby they won't allow you to change withdrawal method anymore because it will be too late. So one final thing, how do you get to see these assets when they finally get transferred to any of these exchange? I believe this is a question a lot of us have. Okay, what you need to do right now is to head over to Bybit. Okay, let me show you how to see your assets on Bybit when they finally arrive on March 18th. So what you have to do right now is to come over to this very place that says assets, right? Just click on asset right now, and from the account tab you switch to the assets tab, which is this right here. Okay, so once you click on assets, you should see your Pulse token somewhere around here. Okay, it should be at the top because the asset with greater value stays at the top. So you see it at the top right here. But if this is your first time using Bybit, of course, that should be the only asset you should see right there. Now for Bitget Exchange, it's also simple, right? Once you open up your Bitget Exchange from the home screen, just come over to the asset tab right here. Just click on the asset section, and you can go ahead and just click on spot or click on spot at the top here. Anyone you click on, it will still lead you to the same place. So if I click on spot right now, you can see my asset right here, which is eyes, which is very little, not up to $1, but this is where you should see your Pulse token too when they finally arrive on your Bitget Exchange. So it's really simple, it's not rocket science. So you've seen that, guys. You've seen how to withdraw your Paws Airdrop token to Bybit Exchange and Bitget Exchange. I believe this video is well understood. If there's something that is confusing about this video, you can leave your question in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. But I would suggest you watch this video all over again so you get or grasp the whole process fully. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, like always, leave a like and share. When you share, you create greater exposure for this video. For more updates, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all. Okay, by so doing, you get updates firsthand whenever I drop them. Surely you'll be one of the first to get notified when I drop any updates about Pause, because I'm going to also be creating a video when trading goes live. So stay tuned for that very video, subscribe and turn your notifications so you don't miss out on that very video. Until I come with you next time, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.